The U.S. Supreme Court is expected to make a landmark decision soon on whether domestic violence offenders can own guns.
If the ruling goes one way, it could threaten Michigan's red flag law. News 8's Byron Tallefson talked with a legal expert about the case and the implications it could bring for gun owners and domestic violence survivors. Byron.
Brian and Sue, on average, more than 12 million women and men are victims of domestic violence every year. In this case, a Texas man convicted of domestic violence who had his right to carry a gun taken away took his fight to the nation's highest court.
As domestic violence continues to take lives in our communities, the U.S. Supreme Court is considering a challenge to a federal law that prevents many abusers from having guns. In the next few weeks, the U.S. Supreme Court is expected to make a ruling on United States versus Rahimi, deciding whether a federal law that prevents people under domestic violence restraining orders from having firearms is unconstitutional.
An individual named Zaki Rahimi, who was under a domestic protection order against his partner, who was also the mother of his child. He violated that by not only being in possession of a firearm, but attacking her and firing a shot at a witness.
Survivors advocates say women are 5 times more likely to be killed when their abuser has access to a gun, while those supporting Rahimi's case say his right to own a gun is protected under the Second Amendment. Michael McDaniel, a constitutional law professor at Cooley Law School, doesn't expect the court to side with Rahimi based on how the judges acted during oral arguments last year.
The Supreme Court was very skeptical of allowing an individual like Rahimi to have a right to a firearm. Justice Roberts even asked his attorney, well, you know, your client's a bad guy, right?
While this case challenges the federal gun restrictions, many states have their own red flag laws. Michigan, since February, allowing police, family members, and mental health professionals to go to a judge and ask for an extreme risk protection order. A judge can then order police to take away someone's guns if they're shown to be a threat to themselves or others.
I would think that red flag laws or extreme risk protection orders like we have in Michigan, would be under reconsideration by the courts as well.
The court is expected to make a decision either later this month or early next month. Brian?